Ethics of online research. The internet is a wonderful place to observe behavior of users. With today's technology, actions are automatically recorded and stored into a certain format. From there, the format can be viewed, analyzed, etc. Computer client-side and server-side automated data collection are two technology-based methods that warrant special significance. These techniques are particularly engaging and different because prior to the internet, they didn't exist. These approaches also allow marketers to make quick and responsive changes in web pages, promotions, and pricing. Although the internet has some serious drawbacks, it is critical for conducting primary research and is a tool that all marketers use. Research conducted on the internet is a cost-effective form of recruitment, data collection, survey conducting, and analysis. Online research allows researchers to access individuals worldwide. This access is good for studies in remote areas where there is a lack of or inability to conduct research. Although this seems like a great opportunity, it comes with ethical concerns. These concerns include topics such as determining a safe environment to take a survey, research in a virtual environment, data security, confidentiality, and performing secondary analysis. Researchers need to always be aware of laws regarding minors and respect the core ethical principles of beneficence, respect for persons, and justice. Marketers face several other ethical concerns regarding survey research on the internet. What are those concerns and angers for consumers? 1. Respondents become irritated since they receive unsolicited emails requesting survey participation. 2. Some researchers harvest email addresses from internet forums and groups without permission. 3. Some companies conduct surveys for the purpose of building a database for future solicitation. Ethical marketers clearly mark the difference between marketing research and marketing promotion, and do not sell under the guise of research. Privacy of user data is a huge issue in the medium because it is relatively easy and profitable to send electronic data to use other usings on the internet. Client-side data collection refers to collecting information about consumer click behavior right at the user's PC. One shared approach is to use cookies when a user visits a website. Although it wouldn't seem this way, cookie files are quite helpful. Surprisingly, they are even essential for e-commerce and other internet activities. Some cookies help marketers organize proper promotions and web pages to individual users using database information. One important client-side data collection technique involves determining user patterns by installing a PC meter on the computers of a panel of users and tracking the user clickstream. This approach is similar to the AC Nielsen, also known as the people meter, which is used on TV sets to evaluate ratings for various programs. Server-side data collection. Increasingly, firms are using server-side data to make frequent changes in web pages and promotional offers. During server-side data collection, web analytics use site log software to generate reports on numbers of users who view each page, the location of the site visited, and what a user buys at a site. One example I found interesting and easily explained was the example about Expedia. Because of Expedia's online registration requirement, the company can track visitors' ticket purchases, browsing patterns, and how often they visit each site. This information is used to send special offers to customers, as well as to offer services such as the Fare Watcher. Marketing databases and data warehouses. Regardless of whether data is collected online or offline, all data is moved into various databases. That way it can later be retrieved. Product databases hold product features, prices, and inventory levels. Customer databases hold data about customers, characteristics, and behavior. Transaction processing databases are regularly copied into the data warehouse. Data warehouses are depositories for the entire organization's historical data. This isn't for just marketing data. The warehouses are designed specifically for study support, which is essential for decision making. Sometimes in the warehouses, data becomes categorized into areas called data marts. It is categorized so it works more efficiently. There are 4 different types of analysis to look at: data mining, customer profiling, RFM, and report generation. These concepts are vital for marketers because data warehouses are used to gain information for future planning. Since the internet is so complex, content management is vital for success. The 4 types of analysis are data mining, which involves the extraction of hidden predictive information in large databases through statistical analysis. Customer profiling uses data warehouse information to help marketers understand the characteristics and behavior of specific target groups. RFM scans the database for 3 criteria. First, last purchase of a customer. Second, how often does the customer purchase products? Third, how much has the customer spent on products? Finally, there's Report Generator, which automatically creates easy-to-read, high-quality reports from data warehouse or cloud information on a regular basis. In brief description, e-marketers must have data to lead their resolutions about creating and changing marketing mix elements. This data is collected from a multitude of sources, organized into databases, and turned into marketing comprehension that is then used to develop marketing strategies. Knowledge management is the process of managing the foundation. The use and distribution of knowledge. A marketing information system is the process by which marketers manage knowledge, using system of assessing information needs, gathering information, analyzing it, and distributing it to decision makers. Primary data is collected on the internet by almost all companies. The steps to control the research are: number 1, define the research problem. 2, develop a research problem. 3, collect data. 4, analyze the data. 5, distribute the findings. Companies must continuously monitor the social media and other websites to recognize content about their brands and personnel that are published by citizen journalists and other stakeholders. New technologies such as email alerts, RSS feeds, and special software make this a smooth and automated process. Marketers use technology to observe user behavior on the user's computer, client side, via cookies and PC meters, or the server side, via the use of log file and real-time profiling. The data can be used for inventory control and to target promotions. Data warehouses are containers for the organization's historical data. Data marts are subsections of the warehouse categorized by subject area. Data from all customer touchpoints are stored in these warehouses.